Okay, in the never-ending round of skill building exercises, this is not quite complete, but it's pretty complete, and I'll probably stop posting pictures about it. But this is a little gadget I built to hold some computer stuff. So I'm out here in my garage, which is horrifically messy, and one of the things that happens is I have a computer out here, but it gets kind of dusty. So I kind of wanted to build a little case that I could put a Raspberry Pi inside and also a keyboard and a mouse or whatever. So I made this little box, and the idea is you have a flip up drawer so you can put the keyboard in here, and the keyboard can lay on top of here while you're using it, and then when you want to put it away you just lift that up. And then I have a drawer that's big enough to hold my Raspberry Pi, power supply, a spare external hard drive, and there's a hole in the back so that you can route power cables out of it. So it hasn't been finished yet. It's constructed out of some Baltic birch plywood, and this pine is from some shelving units that looked horrible that I took out of my garage months ago, and then planed and edge glued and did a bunch of stuff so that I'd have nice boards. The boxes actually have rabbeted corners. I made this all out of 1/2-inch plywood, which actually makes it a little too heavy. And I'll probably put some little feet on it. Originally I thought I would maybe suspend this, or maybe under this box here that I have, but I think I'm just going to leave it as a portable unit. I did screw up one thing, which is when I thought about it, I should have made these drawers faces a little bit wider so they would go straight to the edge, so that they'd be lined up with the top of the flip drawer. The flip drawer could have been fancier. I just butt jointed it and glued it. Piano hinge. Not sure I totally like this. There's probably more elegant ways, but it's certainly functional, and it should keep the dust out. And then in the back, when I get this all sorted out, I will probably glue a little piece of thin Luan across here. I want to leave this hole in the back open so I can get power cables in and out, but I'll probably cover this with just a strip of plywood that I'll just face glue onto here. There's a little lip here so I can tuck it under there, and that'll be about it. Well, this is a woodworking project done as Western civilization is coming to an end, and now maybe I can work at cleaning my garage a little bit more. Hope y'all are having a better week than I am, but you can still build stuff even when you're kind of in a grump. Have a good one.